Hi, my name's Lee, and this is my husband, Umar. And we've just had a complete home remodel here in Fremont, and we are so happy with the results. I looked up a lot of local builders, and this builder, along with a couple of others, had great ratings. I think I just connected better with the project manager, Gilhar, who I spoke with first from Roy's Builders, and I just had a great feeling that he was going to see the project through just the way we wanted it to be. Once they started, it really began to go very quickly. They were keeping a good pace. They were keeping us informed of where they were and what was going to happen next. So I had a lot of confidence in the way that they were working.
They bought the project in on time and even a month and a half ahead of schedule. So they've done an amazing job.
The project manager who was working with us most was Daniel. He was great. He was very in touch with his crew. They were really good workers. They were polite and friendly. And we just had the feeling that the job was in good hands. They really knew their stuff. They really were great.
Deciding everything took a lot of mental effort, and going with Gil to Pacific Home Decor, it was really nice being in communication with people who are really there to help you. The best thing that I liked was that they're very communicative. There were times when Daniel would call me after 5 o'clock and we'd be talking on Saturdays. Same thing with Gil. I was constantly in communication with them. Of course, I recommend Roy's Builders. They're very, very good people to work with. Very honest, straightforward, very hardworking.
I'm over the moon. I'm so delighted with the way it turned out. It's just more beautiful than I could have imagined. And I really would recommend Roy's Builders. I feel that they did a very, very professional job. I'm very impressed with the way Daniel managed the job. He was really great with the workers. He was on top of everything, and he was communicating with us all the way through. We really want to give a big shout out to Roy's Builders. They did a fantastic job.